What's up, everyone？ 我是麦克老师。今天我在美国的 Costco， 我要试验一下，如果我吃他们所有的试吃，我能不能吃饱？我们进去看一看。Before we go in here, I want to talk to you about Costco's legendary free samples. There are a few guidelines to maximize our success and get full. And one of them is to go on the weekends when they have more free samples. Also, I read that between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. is the best time to go to get the most samples. Now, you can also take as many as you like, and they can't say no. I even heard some people, they'll just take the whole tray. I haven't decided how greedy I'm gonna be yet today, but let's go in, check it out, see what we can find, see if it's any good, and hey, you know, it's free. All right, so let's go see what samples they have for us here today. See if I can get full. I don't think I'm gonna find any in the TV section. Wow, $479. $479, 65-inch TV. Forget that, we're on a mission to eat for free. That's the goal. Let's focus. Dad always taught me, best beer is a free beer. 但是我们也可以说，最好的一顿餐就是免费的一顿餐。All right, let's go try the first sample of the day right over here. What is this?
Spring roll.
Spring roll. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, it's got the sauce on it already. Hot. Really hot. So hot. I should have waited. I probably won't get a second spring roll. It was okay. Next, let's see what we got.
Right behind you, Monday, Tuesday.
What's this one?
Marlow. Let's pretend one.
That's a good cheese. Round 2. So good. Best cheese. That's free cheese. So far so good. 2 snacks for free. No lines. Found another one. Let's go see. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Ooh, that's really good. It's on sale till Sunday. I might buy some of this. Wow, really good. Can I get another one? That was really good. Oh, great. Thank you. Number 2. You heard her. Help yourself. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, oatmeal. Oatmeal bar. Oh, wow. It's really soft. So sweet. It's like pure sugar. They sound healthy, like oatmeal, right? But it's all sugar. Whatever. It's free. We can get some chips here. Try round 2.
Oh,
they're good.
Oh, we got one.
You're getting me.
He's
You're
on
getting
the line.
me. He's on the line. Hook, line, and sinker. That chip salesman used a great sales analogy. So the customer is the fish, and the fisherman is the salesperson. And if you buy what they're selling, they caught you hook, line, and sinker. Or if you're almost ready to buy, like I was, he said, he's on the line, like I'm a fish on the line of a fisherman. What's this? Quiche? Crustless quiche. Okay. Thank you so much. It smells amazing. Wow. Very salty. Got sausage in there. Some red pepper. That actually was really good. It'd be awesome for breakfast. Ooh, yogurt?
Yes, sir. The probiotics.
What flavors are we talking
Vanilla,
about?
peach, and strawberry.
I'm gonna try a peach. Thank you very much. Peach yogurt with probiotics, whatever that means. Really nice, but again, so sweet. A lot of sugar. They were saying there's no such thing as a free lunch, but I beg to differ. Chicken nuggets?
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it processed chicken or? I'll take a bite and let you know. Okay, so this is probably some processed chicken. It tastes really good, however, they just take all the chicken parts and grind it up. Kind of like what you get at McDonald's. Salty, it's tasty, it's free. Oh, what's this?
Tricks.
Tricks, okay, thank you. A little breakfast cereal, more sugar. Pretty standard. Probably won't buy it, but I'll eat it. Ooh, there's something down here. What is this? This looks good.
The cream bars.
Cream bar.
That's the dark chocolate almond sea salt.
Okay. I can taste the salt.
Yeah, for sure in that one.
Sweet and salty. This one's sea salt, this one's caramel.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try this caramel one. That's good. A lot of sugar today for lunch, I guess. Ooh, what is this?
Beef sticks.
Beef sticks. Awesome, thank you. I'm gonna get another one of these. Steal one more of these. Thank you. Another salty snack. I think there's one more left. Smells wonderful.
It's gluten-free. That smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I will.
Enjoy, everybody.
Thank you.
$7.99 for
Alright, let's try this Kale Pesto sauce pasta. This might be the best one of the day. Really good. I think it's my second favorite after the tomato soup. That was so good, I'm gonna snag one more. She didn't mind at all because the people doing the free samples actually don't work for Costco. They work for another company who promotes the products that they sell here at Costco. So they just come in here, give people free samples, people enjoy it. You know, they have a little snack while they're shopping, and studies have shown that giving customers samples like this is a very effective way to get people to buy stuff. In fact, I'm going to buy some of that tomato basil soup. So they got me. Alright, so final thoughts. Am I full? Almost. I'd say it's enough for a meal. I didn't eat breakfast or lunch, so I was obviously super hungry. Probably not the healthiest meal I've ever eaten, but again, completely free. So next time you're at Costco, take advantage of the free samples. Take as much as you like, but don't be greedy like I was today. And enjoy. Hope everybody's doing awesome. I will see you all very soon. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。